Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to turn on price alerts notifications on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to go to the app, then next click on the profile section on the top right corner. So here you're going to click on settings. Here you're going to click on push notifications. So there's the price alerts, you're going to turn them on, or you can click on manage and see all the coins there to add the price alert. So as I told you, you guys could select one coin and enter a target price. So it's going to add your price alert. So once you select the number, you guys can set the price alert. So that's the importance of this setting. One for notification purposes and one to set the price alert for the commodity you want. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I would see you again. Goodbye.